Dear students, in this session we are going to see few multiple choice questions which may be needed for competitive examinations. Important relations needed are also noted here. In the previous session, we have discussed book back questions. In that occasion, I have given all these points and all the explanations were given. If you try to follow the previous video, you can understand this very well, and definitely it will enrich your knowledge in solid state. Now, let me go into the first question. What is it? The portion of edge length not occupied by atoms for simple cubic, face-centered cubic and body-centered cubic are respectively. So, you are given a few options. The portion of edge length not occupied by atoms for simple cubic. In the case of simple cubic, the atoms are touching each other and therefore there is no space between. For example, 2r is the interatomic distance, 2r is equal to a. So, a minus a, which is equal to 0, and therefore for the simple cubic, the portion of edge length not occupied is 0 for simple cubic. For face-centered cubic, let me just draw the front side. Atom will be placed like this. So, at the center of the face an atom, all right, it will be touching. So, there is a space which is remaining in between the two atoms. So, for a face-centered cubic, 4r, 1, 2, 3, 4r is given as root 3a, but it is only 2r, 1r, 2r. 2r is equal to, 2r is the distance between the two atoms. So, 2r is equal to, in the case of FCC, root 2 by 2a, root 2 by 2a. 4r is equal to root 2a, and therefore 2r is equal to root 2 by 2a. Upon simplification, 1 by root 2a. If I cancel out root 2 and 2, it will become 2a. So, what will be the difference between the portion of edge length not occupied? A minus 1 by root 2a. So, the edge length 2r is 1 by 2 root 2a, but on the whole the edge length is a, 1r, 2r, this much, all right. The edge length which is not occupied will be a minus 1 by 2 root 2a, which is equal to a, if it is taken out, 1 minus 1 by root 2, all right. So, 1 minus 1 by root 2. The portion of edge which is edge length not occupied by atoms for FCC, a into 1 minus 1 by root 2, all right. For body-centered cubic, it will be like this. You will be knowing very well, corner atoms will be present like this, and there is an atom at the center of the cube, and here the in between area which is not occupied. How to calculate? Here 2r, if we consider this particular atom and this particular atom, 1r, 2r, r. 2r for BCC. We know for BCC 4r is equal to root 3a and therefore 2r is equal to root 3 by 2a. Root 3 by 2a. And the total edge length is a. So a minus root 3 by 2a is the edge length which is unoccupied. So in BCC, a minus root 3 by 2a. If I take a out, 1 minus root 3 by 2, 2. So it is for BCC, it is a into 1 by root 3 by 2. So the answer is C option, 0, a into 1 minus 1 by root 2, a into 1 minus root 3 by 2. All right. The next question. The cubic unit cell of aluminium. The cubic unit cell of aluminium, molar mass 27 gram per mole. For aluminium, molar mass is given 27 gram per mole. All right. Edge length A is given as 405 picometer, which is equal to 405 into 10 power minus 12 meter. But density is given in centimeter, gram per centimeter cube, therefore it can be converted into centimeter. 405 into 10 power minus 10 centimeter. To convert into centimeter, it has to be multiplied by 100. And the density is given as 2.7 gram per centimeter cube. So here is gram, here centimeter. Okay. Now the question is, the cubic unit cell, it belongs to which type of cubic unit cell? Simple, body centered or face centered, it is asked. To find out, we need number of atoms in the unit cell. If it is 1 simple cubic, 2 BCC, 4 FCC. So density rho is equal to, we need to calculate n is equal to, we can rewrite the equation, n is equal to rho into a cube into Na divided by m. So we have kept n as such, is taken here, divided by m. So rho is equal to 2.7 gram per centimeter cube. A, the value of A is 405 into 10 power minus 10 centimeter whole cube. N, Avogadro number 6.022 into 10 power 23 divided by molar mass 27 gram per mole. Of course, it is per mole. Get cancelled. All right. So you will be getting the answer in, everything will get cancelled. Gram, gram, mole, mole, and per centimeter cube here, centimeter cube, everything get cancelled. You will be getting the answer. The answer we are getting is 4. N is found to be 4. If n is equal to 4, it should be face centered. Therefore, option is D. If you calculate, you will get the answer 4, and if it is 4, it should be face centered, and therefore it is face centered cubic arrangement. Next question. An element atomic mass m is equal to 60 gram per mole. All right. Having FCC unit cell, therefore n is equal to 4. For FCC, n is equal to 4. And the density rho is given as 6.23 gram per centimeter cube. The edge length of the unit cell is asked. A is asked. So A means we have to get A cube. A cube is equal to n m divided by rho into Na. A cube is taken here, rho is taken there. So n is equal to 4, molar mass 60 gram per mole divided by 6.23 into 6.022 into 10 power 23. Now, 4 into 60 divided by 6 into 6. It goes like this, 4 into 60 divided by 6 into 6 into 10 power 23. Likewise, it can be written. So, 6, 10, and then 2 by 3, approximately I have given 20 by 3, which is equal to, since we have larger number here, 6.6, approximately 6.6. It will come slightly lower than this. It may not come 6.23, it may come 6.4 or 5 like that. 6.4 approximately. Alright. So that when we take cube root, you will be getting the answer. So that may be the value, 6.4 into 10 power 23. When 10 power minus 23, when it is go over to the numerator. So when I multiply it by 10, it will become 64, and I can divide it by 10, 10 power minus 24. The unit will be gram per mole, gram per centimeter cube, and therefore it may be centimeter cube will be there. So if I take cube, it may be 4 into 4 into 4, 4 cube. It may be 10 power minus 8 cube, whole cube. So a cube is equal to 4 cube into 10 power minus 8 cube, which comes to a is equal to 4 into 10 power minus 8 centimeter. Minus 8 centimeter means Armstrong unit, or if it is in picometer, the answer is given in picometer. Therefore 4 into 10 power minus 8 centimeter, I can multiply it by 100, 400, I can divide it by 100. So 10 power minus 10 centimeter, which is nothing but 1 picometer. So 400 picometer. So that will be the edge length. Alright. Some simple idea if we create, we can solve even somewhat difficult sums. So next question, 50. A metal has a FCC lattice, that means n is equal to 4. The edge length of the unit cell, that is A, is equal to 404 picometer. The density of the metal rho is 2.72 gram per centimeter cube. Alright. Molar mass is asked. So molar mass M is equal to rho into A cube into Na divided by N. M is equal to, it comes as the divided by N. So rho is equal to 2.72 gram per centimeter cube. A 404 picometer, which is equal to 4.04 into, let me write first of all, 404 into 10 power minus 10 centimeter. Because it is in centimeter cube, I am giving in centimeter. If I divide it by 100, it has to be multiplied by 100, therefore 10 power 8. Alright. Into 6.022 into 10 power 23 divided by n is equal to 4. So 2.72 gram per centimeter cube into 4.04, it should be whole cube. It should be whole cube. 4.04 into 4.04 into 4.04 into 6.022 into this 10 power 20 minus 24, here 10 power 23, therefore 10 power minus 1. 10 power minus 8 cube will become 10 power minus 24, in 10 power 23 will give 10 power minus 1 divided by 4. Approximately 4 and 4 get cancelled. If I multiply 4 into 4, 16 into 6, 64 into 2.72, the value will approximately be 27 gram per mole. So the option A may be the correct option. All right. It is centimeter cube, per centimeter get cancelled, and therefore you will be getting the answer in gram per mole. It is for per mole, and therefore you will be getting this unit. So molar mass is equal to 27 gram per mole. The next question may be, match the type of defect given in column 1. Match the type of defect given in column 1 with the statement given in column 2. Impurity defect. impurity defect is due to sodium chloride with Sr strontium 3 2 plus and some cationic sites vacant. It is because of Sr2 plus getting in, the Na plus will leave to balance the charge. Alright. So it is due to impurity defect. Then metal excess defect. Metal excess defect. When sodium chloride is heated with sodium, Na plus ions are obtained from sodium vapor. It loses electron and therefore Cl minus may go over to this place. Vacancy is created, F center will be created, the electron will get in. But we will be having excess of sodium ion and therefore it is said to be metal excess defect. And then metal deficiency defect. It is due to FeO, metal deficiency. Metal deficiency defect is due to, in FeO, Fe3 plus if it is entering in, few Fe2 plus ions have to go out. If 2 Fe3 plus ions come in, 3 Fe2 plus has to be removed. Only then the charge will be managed. Alright. It is because of that we will be finding deficiency of metal. We have seen already Fe to the extent of 0.93 to 0.98 only will be available instead of 1 and oxygen. It is metal deficiency defect. So option C. And then next question may be, in the cubic close packing, the unit cell has, the cubic close packing is based on face centered cubic arrangement and therefore 4 atoms will be present, n is equal to 4. If n is equal to 4, the tetrahedral vacancy will be double the number. Therefore 2n is 8. So 8 tetrahedral voids within the unit cell. So D option is the correct one. The next question. The crystal structure of CaCl, cesium chloride, is body centered cubic. At the center of the body, if we have a cesium at 8 corners, we will be having 8 chlorine. So 1 cesium, 1 chlorine for 1 unit cell, therefore 1 molecule. It is body centered arrangement. And then the correct order of the packing efficiency in different types of unit cell is packing efficiency. This is the packing efficiency. Correct order is asked. In simple cubic, it is far less. Packing efficiency is less. And next to that, BCC, and next to that, FCC. All right. But that option is not given. It is given the reverse order. FCC is greater than BCC is greater than simple cubic. Option C. Then in face-centered cubic unit cell, edge length is, in face-centered edge length, we know 4r is equal to root 2a because it is a diagonal as per Pythagoras theorem. We have calculated it is root 2a. If it is a and a, it is root 2a. And it is made of 4r, 1, 2, 3, 1r, 2r, 1r, r. So it comes to 4r. 4r is found to be equal to root 2a for face-centered cubic. They have asked edge length. A is equal to 4r by root a. 4r by root a. A is equal to 4r by root 2a. A is equal to 4r divided by root 2. If I simplify, it can be 2 into r divided by root 2. If I cancel, it may become root 2 root 2 r, I can say, or 4 by root 2 r, all are correct. Actually, this is what given. It can also be simplified like this, 2 root 2 r, like this it can be given. All right. So option B. So next question, match the following correctly. they are given with a few compounds B2O3, ZNS, sodium chloride and cesium chloride. A, B, C, D. More or less radius ratio they wanted to compare. So in B2O3, the option may be 3 trigonal planar or the value. Trigonal planar is given 1. That is true. So option 1 for B2O3, 1. There is trigonal planar. 1 trigonal planar. And for zinc sulfide, it may be tetrahedral, which is given in option 5, tetrahedral. Option 5, tetrahedral. For sodium chloride, it may be octahedral, 6 or the value. Octahedral is given, value is also given. So value is given in option 2 and octahedral is given in option 3. Therefore, both are correct. 0.4142, 0.732, and then it is octahedral. That is also correct. So 2 and 3. And in the previous class, I have discussed how these values can we are arriving at and how can we simply remember. Trick I have given, shortcut method I have given for that. All right. Then cesium chloride, it is cubic 4. So 1, 5, 2 and 3, 4. Correct option D. And the last question. Presence of large number of assertion. Presence of large number of Schottky defect in a crystal lowers the density of the crystal. Yes. Sodium chloride, sodium ions, equal number of chloride ions leave the its site, and therefore the number of cations and anions in equal number leave the regular site. Therefore, we get a reduction in density. That is true. It arises due to the dislocation. No, it is not due to dislocation. Since the cations and anions are leaving its site, we get, and therefore reason is incorrect, but assertion is true. Therefore, option C is correct. So, I think we have covered almost all the points under solid state. One MCQ for competitive examination this session. In the previous session, book back questions we have discussed, and in that we have arrived at all these formulae. And likewise, for every chapter, I will be covering book back questions, and in that, it may be useful for competitive examination. Next to that, I will be covering few questions for competitive examination. Subscribe and get benefited. Thank you.